Hey guys, it's JNR Contracting here. Today's going to be a very quick video because I'm running out of memory. But this is a package I got from Nick Sugg or Riverside Excavation on Instagram. He's a great dude, by the way. Model I've wanted ever for about over a year. No, about a year now. Since last year, this time, right before Christmas. And when they first came out, it's a Diecast Masters model, so pretty good. You could tell, I guess it's a 250-90. It's great. So this comes in this little tin. This looks like that 2016 series booklet. I'll have to take a look through that. Alright. So here's a little tiny model that I've wanted forever. So no complaints really. Probably could reach a dump truck, but here it is. We got a little model. Thanks, Nick. Cheap too. I think I only paid 20 something. I don't remember for sure. But this is gonna be great help around this garages. Trying to not break anything. Let's see here. Around my garage, both sides here. So yeah, I'll do a review of this later, but other than that, yeah, I'm pretty psyched about it. I waited and waited, so stay tuned, guys, because I have a CT680 coming and something else coming too. Headache racks, that's what I got coming. So yeah, really, it's a really great model. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next one.